Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we're going to be doing the Puni Loafy kitty project. Let's inspect the molds first. After that, let's apply a thin layer of Vaseline oil over the mold. Applying a thin layer of Vaseline would protect the mold from use, and it will also help with the demolding process. Once the preparation steps are done, we start by preparing small quantities of our squishy gels mixed with a few drops of our pigment colors. Using a dotting tool, we apply small amounts of colors over the mold. When you are applying the gels in thin coats, the gel will slowly cure, and this would make the color layering process much more easier. You can also use a toothpick if you don't have a dotting tool. Be patient and slowly color out the highlights of the shadows, similar like when you are doing painting on canvas. Once we are done with the first color layer, we proceed to apply a second color over the first to give it a more realistic effect once it cures. Repeat the steps with a dotting tool. Don't worry if you mess up the colors. All you need to do is to use a disposable kitchen towel and soak the area up and do it again. Our Puni squishy gels are silicone-based and toxic-free. They are safe to work with, and even the children can play with them. Once the details are applied, we will proceed to pour the based colors into the mold. This base color will create the realistic contrast for the overall feel of the finished product. Leave it to dry for a few hours. If you like this video, please help us grow our channel. Like and subscribe to our channel, and this is the greatest help and support you could give us. Now the moment we have been waiting for, demolding time. Yay! Carefully peel the sides of the product and slowly pull it out from the mold. Please be careful during this process, as we do not want to ruin the efforts we have put into the project. So be patient. Slowly remove the product out from the mold and apply some Vaseline oil onto your fingers if the product sticks onto your hands. Look at how well it turns out. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute! Now once you have successfully demolded all our cuties, we are ready for the final step. We will put all the cute little pieces into our oh my gosh cute little basket. And then we put them into our PVC bags so we can squish them all day long and not destroy our precious cutie kitties. We have now come to the end of this video, and I really hope you like the video. Now before we go, we need to say this. If you like this video, please help us grow our channel. Like and subscribe to our channel, and this is the greatest help and support you could give us. See you again soon. Bye-bye.